Pretty Laura's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you guys my seared halibut with white wine sauce. These are all the ingredients that I prepared. First, our 2 pounds of halibut. Next, sliced cherry tomatoes. Next, chopped fresh basil. Next, chopped garlic. Lemon zest. Chicken bouillon. We're gonna use half of this. And next, our white wine, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Let's start. So now we're gonna start cooking our halibut. Let's start turning on our stove to high heat. This is just so quick. We're just gonna sear them and then we're gonna put them in one plate. The next process we're gonna do is the white wine sauce. Let's just put our olive oil. Right. Let's just let our olive oil hot before we're gonna start putting our fish. Let us start putting our halibut. We're going to put it like upside down. The reason why I'm cooking them first, make them like seared, so when they're cooking them, when we cook them in a white wine sauce, they are not that kind of like white color. You want turn them like golden brown. Now, they turn light brown. So we're gonna turn up our stove now, and then we're gonna start cooking our white wine sauce. So the same pan, we're gonna turn on our stove again to high heat. Next, our olive oil again. Next, our garlic. Next, our cherry tomatoes. Next, our half chicken bouillon. Next, our white wine. Next, our black pepper. Next are some salt. Next, we're gonna put back our fish, the halibut. Next are chopped fresh basil. And last are zest. Oh, it smells so good. Oh man, this is really nice. Oh. Did you see it, guys? How pretty. Now I could turn off the stove now. So after all the process, now let's just transfer them in the tray and I'll show you guys. This is something really good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.